Good afternoon all. Right, we've got a crazy video now. What we're actually going to do today is we're sneaking into Area 51. Yeah, we are. Well, we're probably just going to walk in actually, to be honest. Now, you might have noticed something. Like, check out this. This doesn't look like Nevada desert, does it? Look at this landscape. Looks like English countryside. Now, the reason for that is because we're actually in Lancashire in England. And this is no ordinary Area 51. This is a brand new Area 51 American style diner. Alien themed, right? Let's get inside and have a look. This so far looks pretty cool. Look, I like the styling. Look at that. And these old metal doors. Let's get inside and have a look. Got a little outside like covered area here. It's not as alien themed, but we've got some funky. Look at these tables. That's made out of old aerospace parts, isn't it? Old aircraft parts. Look at that. Brilliant. Forward exits. Got an alien in there, keeping an eye on us. Right. Cost us 22 quid. We've got a couple of drinks, coffee, and what did you get? Coffee?
Yeah, ice latte.
One coffee, one ice latte, and we've got 2 4-cheese toasties, 22 quid. So we'll see, we'll give it a good review when it comes. Right, I'm gonna go inside now. I've got my little alien beeper, so I'm waiting for it to be, wait for that to kick off, all the aliens and all the UFOs coming out into Area 51, and we're going to have a little look around inside and show you some of that theming. Another little garden on this side, quite a lot of seating room. I think these are ours, so yeah, I'll grab these ones.
Very well, take those. And
okay.
Have you got your buzzer?
Yes, yeah, I got a buzzer. Okay, brilliant.
I'll still be another couple of minutes.
Okay, fantastic, thank you. This is more difficult than it looks. Got a bit of a slide on this latte. I'm trying to carry these with one hand and film at the same time. The life of a YouTuber. Right. Whoa. We got it. Look at that. Right, still got our buzzer for our sandwiches. We've got ice latte. It looks like a good mix, that actually, isn't it? Look at that. Looking good. And my Americano, which I sit down and the sun is coming out, so that's nice. Right. Let's give that little Americano a little alien taste test. See if this is worthy of.
Is it out of the world?
This could be out of this world. See if this is worthy of Bob Lazar, this coffee. I mean, it's okay, to be honest. It's nothing. It's not. It doesn't taste anything special. It's just a coffee, like a filter coffee. Ooh. Okay. Right. Let's see when the sandwiches come. Something's happening in the world of Area 51. I think the food could be ready. Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, crisis averted. I think that beeping is, it's set my stress levels on high. I thought we were under attack by an alien invasion then with that beeping going on. But it was just a cheese toastie in the end. Right, so it's 4 cheeses and onion toastie. Nice little bit of blotting paper under there, isn't it? I like that, that's nice.
Purple might be hot.
It might be hot, but it might be not that hot, to be honest. Right, it's going to give this a taste test.
There's ketchup.
Quite interesting. It's just like hot bread underneath, not really toasted very much. It's like warmish, it's not hot. It doesn't taste like a Costa one or anything like that. It's more, you can taste the onion in it, it's more oniony. So yeah, 4 cheeses and onion. It tastes all right so far at first bite. I think if aliens came down, this was the first thing they tasted and that was the first coffee they had. I think they'd be on their way back to another planet, to be honest. But let's reserve judgment. I'm gonna get tucked into this, get it down me, I'll come back with a rating. Well, I've eaten it. It's all gone down, but I am disappointed, to be honest. I thought it would have like really good cheese toasties, really good coffee. If that's all you're gonna do, I mean, you could see that get that in my head. You could see that they just had the packets of sandwiches like pre-packaged in the counter display. They look like sort of gas station sort of packaging style.
Like a 3 out of 10. I don't know. It's just because it's like dry. But I'm gonna eat some of my donuts.
You know what you would expect if you were on the road and you picked up like a sandwich on the road at a gas station and had like a coffee, it would taste like that. It's just, excuse me, I'm gonna score it. Now first of all, I'm gonna say the theming in here, 10 out of 10, fantastic, good experience, good vibe inside. They've got it really properly themed. They've got a flipping helicopter on the roof, crying out loud. Really, really good. It's like, bam, you're driving on the road here, you definitely would think, wow, I've got to go in there, but food doesn't live up to it, or the coffee. So you'd be like, do I want to come again? For me, probably wouldn't, to be honest. If this was really, really good, tasty, you'd be driving here every opportunity. But so I'm gonna rate the food and the coffee. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Harsh, but that's the truth. You only get the truth on this channel. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Clearly not a sponsored video, and never will be from this place after you see this. But that's the truth. Don't like the food. But however, what we're gonna do, now I've got a bit of a sweet tooth. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna not be too disappointed, hopefully. We're gonna get a couple of the alien space cakes. Not that kind of space cake. And we're going to try a couple of those and rate the desserts and see if the puddings will cheer us up a bit, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's get into that. So I've got some interesting cake. Look at that. Jammy Dodger cake. I like a Jammy Dodger, me. Millionaire Rocky Road. Caramel biscuit. Oh, a few donuts. What would an alien most be likely to choose? April Tarts, Rocky Road remix. What are you thinking? Shall we try that and the Jammy Dodger cake? Fancy that. The Jammy Dodger one. Jammy Dodger. Is it flapjack, that one?
Yeah, that was the one in the actual fridge. Yeah. Is it?
Oh, right. Yeah, it is, yeah. Yeah. Oh, they have got match. UFO lamp, some grenade bottles. What else? Bottles there. Quite cool match. Are you laying it out?
Yeah.
What do we got? Right, we've got a rocky road with it's got an ant on it.
That's from here.
A bug from a garden, not from a kitchen, hopefully. We've got a Jammy Dodger cake. Look at that, tiniest Jammy Dodger ever known to man, and a half of the tiniest one ever known to man, which is fine. All depends on the taste. Right, have we got a knife too?
No.
No, right, I'm going to try the Jammy Dodger. It's flapjack underneath. I am a fan of flapjack, so I'm a bit of a connoisseur of that, so beware ratings. Right, here we go.
It's quite a big piece though.
It is quite a big piece. It's very, 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 very sweet. I like it. You can really taste this topping on it, and you can taste the raspberry ripple is the predominant taste. The flapjack itself is quite a plain flapjack. It's not like, sometimes you get like a really rich sort of tasting flapjack, really moist, really, really, really tasty on its own. It's not that. I'd say it's quite an ordinary flapjack, but they've focused very much on the taste of the topping, which in itself is quite nice.
It's pretty.
I'm gonna score that one 6 out of 10. We're getting brutal scores today, aren't we? But I think that's where it is. The flapjack itself is not that. It's not premium. It's a little cafe, isn't it? It's not going to be pretty. But sometimes you go into a tiny little cafe or an ordinary place and you get like homemade, really nice flapjack. That's not that. Right, Rocky Road. This is yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, shall I try a little bit?
Yeah,
Do you mind if I
try
try a little bit
as much
first?
as you want.
So, Rocky Road is made up of what, normally?
It's Millionaire's Rocky Road.
Millionaires. So, is that shortbread in there and chocolate, or is it like broken? Rocky Road's made of caramel. Anyway, it's got marshmallows and toffee sauce on top, hasn't it? So, right, it does look good. I think kids would like it.
We got the last piece, so it must be popular.
It must be popular. Popular with kids. It tastes like you're in a fairground. You know, you get like fairground food, and it's like over, like really. It has that particular like synthetic sweetened like taste to it. It's not one for me. I'm gonna score that one 3 out of 10. You might like it. It's just not for me, that one at all. Right, you've got to try both of these and let me know the scores.
Okay.
Okay. Right, you tasted that. What's it called? Not bagel.
No,
Jammy
no.
Dodger. What did you think of that Jammy Dodger one?
No,
I don't. Not too keen. And what do you think of a Rocky Road?
This one
Yeah, Rocky Road.
is okay.
Okay, you're more of a Rocky Road fan than I am, though, to be honest, aren't you? You like marshmallows. I don't really bothered about marshmallows.
I'll give this a 7.
7. Ooh, something's redeemed itself. All right. I honestly think kids would like it. It tastes like that fairground sort of taste to me. Fairground food. I feel like I need to clean my teeth after this. Do you think aliens would like it in general, these desserts?
They would appreciate it, I think.
Think they would take it home to their home planet?
No.
Maybe not. So there it was, breaking into, or actually just walking into Area 51 in Lancashire, in deepest England. Now, what do we think of that as a themed place on the roadside? Fantastic, really good theming. I love their style. Got the old helicopter on the roof. It's very, very heavily alienized in there. I think aliens would feel at home if they came there. They'd have lots of their little friends' pictures dotted around. But in terms of the food, I think they would be a little bit disappointed, to be honest. Rated it quite low in terms of like the food, and the coffee was just like it tasted like normal filter coffee. Would have come back here. I like it, like the location, I like the style, but would have come back. Actually, we'll say something about the service. Everyone was very friendly, very, very good service in there. People are really nice, create a good atmosphere, but the food just doesn't live up to it. It's just a cheese toasty, a cake and a coffee. You've got to get those basics right. You've got to get those basics right. Homemade stuff, not that packaged stuff. Yeah, so we'll come back, not unless they change up the menu, but if they do, I'll be the first to get my spaceship, land it right back here, try it again.
Was as smooth as I'd seen it. We had phenomenal shots all the way through the landing burn. You heard the sonic booms. This booster has landed for the 8th time.